view.
Yes, you go to
Okay.
the view and click on
Okay.
sheet, and
Okay.
after that click on the load
Load.
for
Okay.
load a new sheet, to insert a
Okay.
new sheet. Here we have a title block, and
Okay.
see we have the different sizes of your title block. This is your sheet
Okay.
size,
Okay.
A0, A1, A2, A3, A4 type, right? So which one you want to prefer?
A3.
You can choose this for
C.
A3. You can go choose metric title block. This is your A3 sheet, right?
Okay.
A4, A3, A2, A1, A0, right?
Yes.
This
Yes.
format is of your metric,
Okay.
and click on open. So see the A3 sheet is inserted. Click on OK. So this is your A3 sheet. Or here we have the sheet tab. Here, this is your sheet.
Okay. Okay.
Sheet number is 101.
Yes.
So here you can change the name. The approved by. You can name as the approved by as, right? And
Okay.
who is the designer? Designer name is,
Abo.
yes, right?
Okay.
And who is checked by
Assam.
person, right?
Okay.
Or drawn by XYZ. Okay. Or you can change the sheet number also. This is your zero
Zero.
01, and the sheet name, plan, right? Or
Yes.
this is your issue date. So
Okay.
you can add each and everything in the plan, right?
Okay.
Or you can directly, this is your uh, date, drawn by, checked by, right?
Yes.
And you can change the owner name. You can just click on here, right? And write the name. And this is your project name. Just click here and give the residential project,
Okay.
like this, right?
Listen.
So all you can arrange like this, right? So how can you insert your plan in the sheet?
Minimize. Minimize.
No,
I can
you can,
directly.
no, you can just select this level 1 plan and drag it to your sheet. So see, this plan is too big from our sheet, right? So you can
Sir.
change your view from here. So again, this is increase. You can select this one. This is also, oh, again a big one. Okay. See, you can change your view from here. So now you can arrange this on this sheet like this, right? Or you
Yes.
can just activate this view and delete this room tag areas like this. See now This is visible, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, if you have a 3D view, you just click on the 3D view and go to the sheet, right? This is your sheet, and select your 3D view from here and place it here like this.
Mm.
So you can right. So you can enter this view by this, right? Right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Right,
So
sir.
you are
Right.
able to insert this, right?
Right, sir.
So by this process, you can place here each and every plan. If you want to insert your ceiling plan one, you can drag and change the view from here. Change the view from here. This one. So this is your view, and paste it to here, right?
So, sir, can I delete the directions?
Yes, you can just select here and zoom it. Select this directions like this.
Mm.
But the elevations will delete it from here, right?
Oh, right.
Yes, sir.
So you can activate this view by this, right? Now the second thing is to insert your mm, to take out a printout of this, right? So you can just type Control P, right? And here we have a PDF options, right? Or you can just go to here and you have you can have this to media report, go to image. If you want to convert into image, you just click on here, just image or just current window, right? And click on the OK. So you can easily converted this into the image. You just go to the and click on the print button, print setup, and you just select the letter word, right? Okay, no problem. All the settings are good. Okay, and click on print, and this is your C Microsoft to PDF, right?
Yes.
And click on the compile multiple view sheets. Okay, this is your current window, and click on the preview button. Just select the browse. Combine multiple separate views and sheet into a single file. So you just type S A B C D, right, on the desktop. Just click on save. So this is your PDF, right? See, right,
Sir,
Hassan?
can you do again?
Yes. You just open your this view sheet. You can insert your able to insert the sheet, right?
Yes, I
Yes.
already.
And you can place your views.
Yes.
And now go to the here and
Control
click on the
P.
printout view.
Okay.
Go to the print and
Okay.
choose here as the Microsoft Print to PDF.
Okay.
Or here is the option to select your printer option, right?
Okay.
And now click on just OK button, right?
Okay.
So after this, a window will open and give the name as per your requirement and click on the
Okay.
save button. So see, this is a new file. This is, yes.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay. So this is your about all about your this session.
Okay. Okay.
Uh, 24.
Time ku joogsanaa inuu mid kale ku daro rabaa.
Sorry.
That's session 24. Yes.
And
Today I think it's enough, sir. 24.
Hassan, please do more and more because we have time up to the end of this month to finish all the sessions,
Oh,
right?
okay.
So, okay, no problem. We finished today on the 24 session, right?
Okay.
Or tomorrow we will do 24, 25 and 26.
Okay.
So
Okay,
in
sir.
the in 25 there is nothing.